This is the Dumbo father. This is the Dumbo mother. Sorry about the light. Now this is the Dumbo children. A few fry just spawned, I don't know. Let's don't shake the water. Can see, cannot see. I'll try not to shake. I also feed them BBS, baby brine shrimp, so you see something walking very fast. I think it belongs to the BBS. I don't know whether they are free swimming or not. I just feed them BBS. Yeah, these are all the baby brine shrimp. You saw that? This is this is all fry. Let me show you the fry again by pointing towards them for you to see. You saw all this clustering around here. These are the fry. How do you know they are fry? You see the tail of this one. See this one? This one? Yeah, got like the head is overly shaped. You saw not? The head is overly shaped, the tail is long. On top the head you see something like some white spot. And this is the fry. They are not freely swimming yet, but I spam with BBS. Okay. I just put only this one. Hatchery for BBS. Okay. This is the existing one. I add on one coffee spoon. White color coffee spoon. Remember, you buy coffee, you packet of coffee, they give this plastic thin white spoon. I put inside. Here I spend 4 spoons and salt. I prepare this tank with a balance of my hornwood and a sponge filter for the outgrowth of them. Around 10 days later, I will bring them over. So I intend to outgrow this tank first. I may put one beta inside to eat the mosquito larva or anything that's breeding inside, because stagnant water might cause mosquito breeding. I may put one small fry inside. I intend to put one small fry inside. I cannot fully cover this one because I only air. I add already anti-Korean, salt, and you saw 1 Indian ammonia leaf. Enough. I don't want to make the water too dark for them. I just want to fully utilize the Indian ammonia leaf so that the leaf will come out the full tame color of the fish, of the leaf. I'm thinking, what fish should I put inside for outgrowing? What fish should I put inside to grow? Maybe I'll get a male or a female. This is the original fish inside. Supposed to do breeding, but it not successful. You see the hornwood is actually from this tank. I bring it over. Maybe I should put him back inside so that he can actually take care of my water for a temporary period of time. because the water also need to be cycled, so he will produce feces and bacteria will bloom from there for the fly to grow. Okay, I will be putting him inside. That's all. No more video update upon putting him inside. I won't be updating the video of him inside. Thank you.